here on our way to Eagle Grove, Iowa. It's actually where the GoServe office is. But earlier this week there was a tornado warning, and I don't know if it was an actual tornado or just wind, but there's a very small part of Eagle Grove that got some tree damage. And we're going to go help a lady, a single lady, who in her backyard several trees were damaged, and we are going to assist her church. Is coming in to help. They did some chainsaw work. We're going to bring the skid loader and a dump trailer, and Chipper and I will haul that away and probably do a little more chainsaw work with them. So we left Elbert City this morning about 6. We should get there about 7:15, 7:30, and get started.
But it wouldn't hurt to have your trailer.
We are here at the house. Give you a little tour of the backyard. I think what happened, she's really the only person in this neighborhood that got hit anywhere near like this. So I'm guessing, don't know. There's a little funnel cloud that whipped the tail down, pulled some of these trees down, and there's a lot of trees in the backyard, and she's literally the only one with anywhere close to this much damage. So we're gonna start hauling trees out. That's the guys from the church who are helping cut it up.
We got this post in our way here, so Big Bad Dennis is going to pull it out with that skid loader. This is how we're able to get a lot done. We got awesome volunteers here today. They're just getting her done right away in the morning. There goes load number 1.
Nice big load. Chipper and Paul are driving away. This is a great example of community helping each other, and we're partnering with the community. They brought all the labor and the saws, and we brought the heavy equipment and the trailer to haul it out. Yeah, how many people are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There's 4 guys in trucks now, so what a great turnout to help a lady who couldn't do this without help. No insurance wouldn't cover it. So thanks to everybody who's helping. This is load number 2 with our trailer, and then we'll this one 2 times. Yeah, and now we're going to put the last bit of it on there. All right, so we are here with Trish, correct? Mm-hmm. She's the homeowner here, and then Paul, our executive director, and Beth, the next door neighbor. So we're just gonna kind of share with you a little bit how she felt and how this all came together. So Paul, how did this all come together?
Well, we had a tornado that went through Eagle Grove recently, and Beth Wilson lives right next door to Trish. And Beth attends the Grace Evangelical Free Church in Eagle Grove, as I do. And she brought it to our attention on Thursday. We happened to have a board meeting on Thursday night. So we got on the phone, got some people arranged to come. We called Dennis Anderson at Go Serve Global to see if they would be available. And it all kind of came together this morning.
Thank you, Paul. So Trish, you weren't even here because you hadn't even moved in yet.
You know, I'm moving in a little bit at a time.
And your husband recently passed away.
Yes,
And so you're moving off an acreage into town to make it a little easier for you.
yes.
And then this happens. So when you got the phone call, I'm assuming it was a phone call that alerted you. How did you feel?
Well, somebody called me, some of the guys that I didn't know 3 months ago that have been helping me, called and told me they had bad news, and I come over and I was just devastated. I didn't know which way to turn at the time. And now, with all these people that I don't know, that I'm getting to know, have helped me, it's just surreal. And I appreciate it so much.
Well, Trish, we just appreciate the opportunity to help you. We're sorry we have to be here, but you know, we're here to help and support you. So
Everybody did such an awesome job. Thank you, thank you,
you're very welcome. Thank you, Trish.
thank you.
So we are standing in Trish's backyard now. And you know, we were done before 11. We started at 8. Man, we had some good people, good volunteers. I think we hauled 5 trailer loads of trees, but she is very happy. So again, if you've donated to Go Serve, you were part of this.